Okay guys, welcome. This is Invest. I'm going to be teaching you what forex trading is today. So first of all, you guys must have been hearing about forex trading, Today I'll be breaking it down to the last that even a newborn will understand what forex trading is. Alright, let's dive into it now. Okay, what is forex trading? Okay, here we can see forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies, but bigger. It's the process of exchanging one currency for another, speculating on the exchange rate fluctuations. Think of it like this: you are buying Nigerian naira and selling US dollar, that is USD, because you think the naira will strengthen against the dollar. With this, let me break it down for you. Forex trading is like you buy a currency because you are expecting it to grow higher than the other currency. Okay, so when you are, for instance, on GBP now, for me to buy means I'm expecting GBP, that is the Great Britain pound, to gain more strength than the Canadian dollar. So in that case, that is where I make money. If the Great Britain pound eventually becomes stronger than the Canadian dollar. That's what forex trading is. But inside forex trading, there are different things you need to know. Alright, let me go straight into the basics of forex trading. The things you need to know. Key players. Alright, the key players are brokers. That's platforms that facilitate trades. Brokers are people who serve as intermediate in retail traders and normal market places. So brokers are the people who offer you leverage and other things. Brokers are very important in forex trading because they help retail traders have a secure platform for their forex exchanges and trading. So let's go to the next one. Traders. Traders are individuals or institutions buying and selling currencies. Buying or selling, but buying and selling. Alright. Institutions are people, not people. They are in kind of community where all of them are working together to achieve goal, and they move market also. So institution traders are one of the head of the forex industry. Money you save in a fixed deposit, they don't leave it there, they trade the money. So banks, the traders, that's individuals and institutions, brokers are key players in the forex industry. So how does forex trading works? Here's how it works. Choose a pair. Let's say I choose GBP CAD. This is not my favorite pair, but I just chose it today. GBP CAD. So swing GBP CAD, for instance. Buy or sell based on market analysis. That's it. Buying or selling based on market analysis means you must have an informed decision. You must be informed of what you're about to do. You must understand how market works, how supply and demand works, how many things, major things in the market works. So, and be careful of news. All these you need to be aware of them before you make a decision to buy or to sell any currency. Then we move to the other one. Close the trade, sell or buy back, pocket the profit. Okay, this is it. Let me go to the my MT5. So we see this is it. You sell from here and bought from here. That means you sold at a costlier, you sold your this thing here and bought it at a higher price. That means you sold it when it was cheaper and bought it when it was costly, which was a loss. But for let's go for this is it. You buy to sell, you sell to buy. That's forex trading too. Okay. Types of trading. Okay. The trading, they close their trades within a day. The trades don't stay more than a day. Swing trading, hold trades for days, weeks. Scalping, quick trades, small profits. Not, I won't say that they make small profits. I've seen scalpers who make millions, huge sum of money, huge RRR from just scalping. So scalping doesn't guarantee small profits, it gives huge profit as well, depending on how you trade it. So quick trades is for scalping, just last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes highest. So let's go back into the trading view. Now we have we know what forex trading is. We need to understand what other things related to forex trading are. Okay, back to it guys. So the basics, let's cover the basics in forex trading. Okay, the basics in forex trading. Let's start here. Okay, forex basics. Currency pairs traded in pairs. Example, euro USD. Okay, what does currency pair means? Okay, currency pairs traded in pairs. Example, euro USD. Let me expand more on it. Euro USD is a pair combining the European euros to that is euros to USD, that is United States dollar. So that's it. They have every currency. They have almost more than 1,000 currencies. So that's it. This is the ones that are. This is the major pair. They have major pairs, minor pairs. So bid and ask prices to sell or buy. Okay, let me show you an example of what bid and ask price means. Okay, let's say I want to sell from this zone here. I'll just mark it out. I'll just mark it out as my bid price. Maybe bid price. I'll just leave it as red. And maybe if I want to sell, if I want to buy from here, for instance, I'll just mark it as blue as my ask price. So, or bid and ask, any of them. So this is it for the bid and ask price. Then pips. Pips is the smallest movement in the market. Price currently as 181925. Okay, 181925. 181925. Let's take for instance, price is at 189125. Okay, a pip. When this price increases by a pip, it means adding plus 0.001 to this price. That is adding plus listen to plus 189.125, giving you the result as 189.126. This price increased by a single pip. This is what a pip movement is. So this is it. But for XAUSD and some other pairs don't follow this price standard. So some are 0.01 per pip. So that's it. Just have to master it. Okay, pips. Okay, leverage. What is the leverage? Leverage, borrowing money to increase trade size. Leverage is that's one of the benefits of brokers. Brokers, for instance, let me show you the broker I use. I use XNext. This is XNext. I use it, so it's a good app. So XNext is one of the brokers. So XNext is one of the brokers you can use. If they offer leverage that you can even trade currencies with them as little as you have. So that's the importance of leverage. So let's see the next one, which is margin, collateral for trades. That's it. Margin is the money you must put, you must deposit, you must have margin in order to trade. So that's like collateral for the money the broker is offering you. So okay, key terms: long, buying a currency. Okay, when I say I'm long on this pair now, it means I'm expecting the price to go up. When I say I'm long, this is what I mean. I'm expecting the price to go up. Sorry, this is what I meant. Okay, when I say long, I'm expecting the price to go up. Okay, it means I'm expecting the price to go up from here. When I say I'm expecting a long, that's it. For the next one, short, means I'm expecting the price to sell. So I use this two here. If I'm expecting the price to fall lower, this is what I do. Maybe I target here. This one I'm expecting a short. Okay. Then what's the stop loss? Exactly. Stop loss is very important for risk management. It helps limit losses and helps maintain growth in your account. So for example, if I'm on a long here, this is my stop loss. This thing I'm trailing here now is my stop loss. So if it's here, this is where I'm expecting to leave the market if it turns against me. And I wouldn't want to trail this. So this is like to limit the losses I can have on this position here. Okay. Then what is a take profit? That's TP. TP is where you are targeting. Maybe you enter the set your stop loss here where you're expecting the price not to get to this zone. This down place is your stop loss where you expect price not to come to. Take profit is where you are expecting price to get to. So this is your target where you're expecting price to get to. So that's your TP. The next one, which is your okay, getting started. For beginners, for you to get started with forex trading, you need to choose a broker. You need to choose a reputable broker that is reliable, have good Discord. So you need a good broker. I use Xness. I'll leave the link in my bio, so just leave it in my description so you just get it and start making use of Xness immediately. Fund the account. I also have WhatsApp group where I post signals daily. Don't miss out on it. Okay, this is it. This is how your position looks like. Then learn analysis. This is the fundamental part of trading and the basic part. If you don't understand analysis, how do you expect to make money? That's a big lie. So learn analysis, learn to analyze markets. So I'll drop a video on this analysis, my strategies, how I take trades, what I see before I take trade, what I see, then I leave the trade. This is what I'll teach you. Practice, yeah. If you're just a beginner, I advise you practice them account of small trades. Don't put all your money into it so that you don't get stopped out. Alright, so this will be the end for today. Thank you guys. This is Inver. Subscribe, like, share for more videos like this. Welcome.